This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a BMW 3 Series headlight bulb. First, park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine completely. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. It's crucial to have the correct replacement bulb for your specific model, so check your owner's manual or the old bulb itself. Always wear gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Safety is paramount when working with your car's electrical system. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car battery using a 10mm wrench to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Next, you might need to remove a few plastic covers or air ducts to gain clear access to the back of the headlight unit. These are usually held in place by clips or small screws, which are easy to unfasten. Now, gently twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Be careful not to force it. Once loose, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it away. With your gloves on, take the new bulb and align its tabs with the slots in the housing. Push it in firmly and twist or clip it into place until it feels secure. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring a snug fit. With the new bulb installed, carefully reattach any covers, air ducts, or other components you removed earlier. Make sure all clips and screws are fastened tightly. Then, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery, tightening it with your 10mm wrench. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight bulb to ensure it illuminates correctly and is properly aimed. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your BMW 3 Series headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.